This is Amador with Pacific. We're out here in Lake Stevens starting our painting phase. Let me show you what that looks like. As you can see here, the first phase of the painting has been done. The main body color has been added, the dark blue. And now we're working on the trim phase, which is the white along the pillars, the fascias, the outside border of your garage, and also your outside corner trim. Painting is the least intrusive of our trades here, but as you can see, your driveway will still be used to stage painting materials, ladders, and other things that guys might need to complete the work. Phase one includes massing of the home, which include the windows, doors, garage doors, or anything we don't want to get paint on, driveways, roofs. Phase two would be the trimming of the home, which would be painting the trim, including the fascias, the gutters, downspouts, and border of any garage door that you have. This is the painting experience with Pacific Exteriors. If you're interested in getting this done to your house, please reach out. Thank you for watching.